Here's how I lost $1,620 trading the Nasdaq this morning. So going into market open, I was leaning bullish. We were delivering from this daily bullish imbalance where we had an internal SMT on the 4 hour. This move then got continued by a bullish 2 hour where we had a 2 hour intermediate term high and all-time highs as our draws above. So going into market open, all I was looking for was an open low into a bullish imbalance where we get an inversion to target our high time frame DOLs, which I could have seen the possibility with this 30-minute bullish imbalance that we were opening at 9:30. So going into market open, what ends up happening? Well, we generate liquidity at our high time frame DOL, however we show no respect of this premium 30-minute bullish imbalance. However, we do end up tapping the most discount 30-minute bullish imbalance in this leg, however this only leads to a generation of low resistance on the low time frame. We then end up tapping into a bearish 15-minute where we get an SMT at the external high. Now if we take a look at what that high is on ES is actually still inside of this bearish 5-minute sponsored gap where we have a double SMT at the highs. So if we take a look at the low time frame, we end up getting a beautiful 30-second inversion. This is where I entered short, targeting that intermediate term low, but as you can see, this goes on to lose. Now, I think the reason this loss was simply neglecting how bullish ES was. Not only did we have a lack of high quality manipulation, we were also fading a massive rejection wick on the 30-minute. However, the most important thing is I didn't let this loss affect me emotionally. I ended up watching the rest of the session, didn't see anything that I liked, so I locked myself out, and I'm now going to journal and learn from that mistake.